Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the battery in your DELL G7 laptop. Today, we will guide you through each step of the process, ensuring you have all the necessary tools and knowledge to complete the task safely and effectively. First, let's gather the tools you will need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to your laptop's internal components. Make sure you have a clean, flat workspace to avoid losing any screws or parts during the process. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that the device is completely turned off to avoid any electrical hazards. Once that's done, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. There are typically around 8 to 10 screws, so be patient and meticulous. If you find it challenging to keep track of the screws, consider using a magnetic tray. After removing the screws, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. Once the panel is removed, you will have access to the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the battery. It is usually situated near the center of the laptop. You will see a few screws securing the battery in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver again, carefully remove these screws. Remember to keep them safe for reassembly. With the screws removed, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This step is crucial. Ensure you pull the connector straight out without wiggling it to avoid damaging the pins. If you encounter any resistance, double check that all screws have been removed. Once the battery is disconnected, you can lift it out of the laptop. Take a moment to clean the area where the battery was housed. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to remove any dust or debris. This will help maintain the overall health of your laptop. Now it's time to install the new battery. Place it in the same position as the old one and reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard. Ensure it is firmly in place before proceeding. Reattach the screws that secure the battery, making sure they are tightened adequately but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. After securing the battery, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Once everything is back in place, flip your laptop over and power it on. Check that the new battery is recognized by the system and that it charges correctly. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, as well as collection and delivery at your home. This means no calls, no travel, and you can receive a quote before any repair is undertaken. It's a hassle-free way to ensure your laptop is in good hands. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your DELL G7 laptop. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your device and improve its performance. Thank you for following along, and does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.